we are looking at how to pronounce this word. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary and words in English, including from French that many people mispronounce or struggle with. So let's break down the pronunciation. For reference, in French it's said as concierge, concierge, okay? So in English you say it as concierge, concierge. Now you normally stress on the erge syllable and a bit on the first syllable as well. Concierge, concierge is how you say it from French. Concierge, concierge, or concierge. It's easy, right? And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.